Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about jobs that will disappear in the next 20 years. So make sure to watch the full video. A 2015 study, PDF, by Foundation for Young Australians found that nearly 60% of young people in the country were studying or training for occupations where at least 2/3 of jobs will be automated by the next decade or so. That is a huge waste of skills. But which jobs will disappear by 2030? Join us as we explore 10 soon-to-be obsolete jobs and find out if yours is safe from automation. 1. Travel agent. There was once a time when booking your summer getaway to Malado was a case of popping into a travel agency on a Saturday afternoon, skimming through a few brochures, and having a cheery sales rep put the whole thing together on an oversized computer. Now, with the abundance of easy-to-use comparison websites, anybody can arrange their own holiday. Many travel operators have realized this and are closing down branches to focus on their online offers. There are still plenty of other opportunities in the wider travel industry, though. 2. Cashier. There's been increased talk in the last few years about the reality of a cashless society, with advances in contactless payments, Apple Pay, and even cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, becoming prominent within mainstream society. While not everyone is on board, with some preferring to still use cash to better track their spending, one thing is for sure: the requirement for people to handle the payments is no more. With self-service tills and stations already a common sight in supermarket chains and even fast food restaurants like McDonald's, the demise of the cashier seems inevitable. 3. Fast food cook. With fast food chains wanting to operate at a lower cost, automation could be imminent in the future. Indeed, according to a 2013 study, PDF, fast food workers face an 81% chance of automation. Fast food cooks, in particular, could be made redundant in the next few years as their employers begin to use current technologies to speed up processes and minimize operational costs. And it's happening now. Caliburger is already testing an automated workforce with AI-driven, burger-flipping kitchen assistants. 4. Mail carrier. While there will still be the need for couriers to deliver parcels, things don't look good for the traditional mail carriers delivering letters. This is mainly because the things that they deliver won't exist in the next 20 years, with bills and statements being viewed and paid online, junk mail moving from your letterbox to your email inbox, and the writing of letters, long since a dying art. Despite this, companies still frustratingly ask you for a utility bill as proof of address, even though most utility companies abandoned paper statements long ago. 5. Bank teller. While banking jobs won't disappear altogether, many local branches will. This is due to the convenience and user-friendly nature of online and telephone banking, where you can make transactions and manage your account with ease, and all from the comfort of your own home. People will still need to consult with financial advisors and experts, so banks will remain open. There will just be a lot fewer of them. 6. Textile worker. The dwindling number of employees in the textile industry isn't due to the lack of demand for products, but rather how they're made. With machines now able to perform a lot of the manufacturing and production work, there are fewer opportunities for textile workers. On the upside, the move towards semi-automation means that highly skilled specialist operators will be required, albeit in smaller numbers. 7. Printing press operator. There has been speculation about the future of the print media industry for some time now, with various publications investing more time and content into their online versions. Additionally, millennials prefer to get their news from less biased, less mainstream sources, meaning that the printing industry needs to adapt and evolve or become extinct. This means that print press operators could be facing a significant decline in business. One thing is for sure, though: the age of the print newspaper is coming to an end. Why wait until tomorrow to read about the news when there is an absolute wealth of sources online that offer minute-by-minute coverage? 8. Dispatcher. In the age of Uber and Lyft, dispatcher roles are becoming increasingly scarce. Indeed, as popular rideshare apps become more mainstream, people no longer need assistance booking their journey through a dispatcher. Instead, companies are beginning to adopt automated taxi dispatch systems and booking software that eliminate the need for a human workforce. Plus, all thanks to Google Maps, people can plan travel routes and discover local transportation services with a few screen taps. 9. Lumberjack. As more and more paper products become digital and corporations and governments shift towards a greener and more sustainable environment, lumberjacks are becoming an endangered species. There are already massive amounts of research into the development of alternative eco-friendly building materials, as well as talk about the long-term future of human labor being replaced by more sophisticated and advanced technologies. 10. Telemarketer. Most people, apart from telemarketers, of course, will actually be pleased about this one, or at least they would be if the annoying, unwanted sales calls weren't being replaced with even more annoying automated sales calls. Many telemarketing companies have adopted this new approach that negates hiring costs and can engage potential customers at any time of the day or night. 11. Assembler/fabricator. When it comes to occupations that include manual labor, automation seems inevitable. Assemblers are mainly responsible for making commodities such as toys, vehicles, and aircraft, among other products. However, with machines and robotics taking over assembly processes and repetitive tasks, assemblers are becoming an endangered species in most industries. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the profession will face an 11% decline by 2028, resulting in a loss of some 203,300 jobs. 12. Legal secretary. In the legal sector, technology has already led to the automation of over 30,000 jobs. These include roles such as legal secretaries. Further than that, a recent Deloitte report suggests that over 114,000 legal jobs could be automated in the next 2 decades as the industry begins to adopt new technologies such as cloud computing and artificial intelligence. For legal secretaries, this technological disruption could reduce the number of roles available within the sector significantly as robotization and digitalization take over their main tasks. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.